Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's look we gonna first use Swiss Beauty का concealer in the shade 02. ये light color का concealer है. Light color base will make your eyeshadow look more bright and the pigments will look better. एंड आई डोंट सेट माई आई बेस. आप अगर चाहो तो अपना बेस सेट कर सकते हो एज यू वॉन्ट. आई जस्ट डैब द बफिंग ब्रश ओवर माई कंसीलर जस्ट टू जो एक्सेस कंसीलर है वो बफिंग ब्रश अब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा. एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस रेड कलर. आई एम प्लेसिंग इट ऑन द आउटर कॉर्नर जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. एंड थोड़ा सा ऑन द लैश लाइन like we do as eyeliner, and blending it with the same brush. But we're not gonna do the blending with this, just giving it a little smudge so that the blending will become easy. So after that we're gonna use a bigger fluffy brush to blend to make it look more effortless and blended. As you can see, I'm using a very light pressure because I don't want the color to become light, because blending will make it look little less pigmented. And then in the inner corner I'm using white eyeshadow as a firstly to set the base. Then I'm using this glitter glue. As you can see, the glue was sticky. Now it's time to apply glitter. And at first the glitter was looking white, but when you apply it on eyes it will give multicolor effect. As you can see, it's looking very pretty. With the movement of your eyes it will change color. These glitters are very affordable. I bought this from Amazon. You can check my Amazon haul as well as a short video where I have shown these glitters. And this was the final look. It's very easy to achieve this look. So if you want more such tutorials, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye.